Numeraire is the local digital currency of the Numeraire stage. It permits engineers and information experts to create AI bots with uncommon unwavering quality and security, which basically is genuinely critical. It's very objective in every practical sense, is to truly make an extension between the information science field and decentralization, as well as permit engineers to contend through AI expectations improvement. Thus, in the fundamentally capability of the venture, we needed to impart to you our Numeraire cost expectations, figures for the years 2022 to 2030, which basically is genuinely huge. Try to likewise look at our FAQ area beneath, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Over the by and large past week, the cost of Numeraire really stayed around $17.67. The course supply sort of is 5.88 million tokens incredibly. The market cap generally went up to $104 million in an unpretentious manner. Numeraire value forecast 2022 to 2030. Numeraire's future cost fundamentally is challenging to by and large foresee, as it in a real sense is dependent on various variables, including the exhibition of the Numeraire organization, worldwide financial circumstances, the securities exchange, and the cost of genuinely other digital forms of money. Nonetheless, in the event that Numeraire proceeds to explicitly develop as an undertaking at its really current rate, it is genuinely conceivable that the cost assessment for NMR could undoubtedly basically return to its exceptionally past extremely prime and presumably even outperform it. Remember that these are for the most part hypotheses, albeit upheld by realities and exceptionally other to some degree truly strong variables, which truly is genuinely critical. So, how about we head on to the fascinating part, which explicitly is genuinely huge. 2022 Numeraire value forecast. A portion of the monetary business by and large top names have generally loaned their weight to Numeraire's cost visualization. The quantity of joint efforts and occasions with the digital money area shows that many individuals really are positive about digital forms of money and most certainly broad in a genuinely significant manner. As per that into Numeraire's exhibition over the kind of past year, it might accomplish a gigantic really help by the current year's end and go over the price tag of $25, which truly is genuinely critical. All the more unequivocally, we anticipate that the cost of NMR should move somewhere in the range of $23 and $28. 2023, which for the most part is very huge. Numerous examiners have made Numeraire cost expectations for 2023. And the overall agreement is that the cost of Numeraire will keep on rising, or so they in every practical sense thought. This especially depends on various variables, including the rising utilization of the Numeraire blockchain, the developing prevalence of crypto, and the especially by and large sort of uplifting perspective for the worldwide economy in an unobtrusive manner. While it in every practical sense is difficult to by and large say precisely exact thing the cost of Numeraire will generally be in 2023, most specialists concur that it sort of has the especially potential to arrive at new levels, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. All the more everything being equal, we can essentially anticipate that the cost of Numeraire should by and large reach $30, $33 toward the finish of 2023, which is very critical. 2024. Assuming that the development of Numeraire proceeds, we can without much of a stretch really see it getting monstrous reception, which in every practical sense is very huge. Our cost expectation for 2024 for the most part is basically as exceptionally moderate as certainly conceivable to not mislead you in a by and large huge manner. We truly accept that toward the finish of 2024, the cost of Numeraire will reach no less than $35 incredibly. On the off chance that we basically let ourselves be a piece essentially more speculative, we'd especially raise it to $40. 2025 Numeraire value expectation. As per certainly numerous Numeraire fans and their cost forecasts, NMR costs might rise emphatically in the exchanging range somewhere in the range of $41 and $43. Remember that this could likewise truly be the year when we see another bear market, in which situation the cost can come around up to 80%, bringing about a cost assessment for NMR at around $4.57 in an unpretentious manner. Notwithstanding, the most sensible assumption fundamentally is for a midpoint of these cost levels, which is genuinely critical. With an escapable reception, the possibility of NMR as a modest and helpful computerized resource could generally turn into a reality. For this situation, we should likewise by and large consider that the Numeraire organization can altogether extend and create, which is very huge. All things considered, costs might try and sort of go as certainly high as $45, however that really is very aggressive, which certainly is genuinely critical. 2026 incredibly, keeping our moderate methodology, we won't attempt to make absurd cost expectations for Numeraire, in spite of mainstream thinking basically. Albeit fundamentally many basically accept that by 2026 the cost of NMR will really be no less than $50, we generally give an alternate worth, which is genuinely critical. 2026 generally is really not excessively far away. Yet as far as crypto, it is, which certainly is very critical. We especially accept that Numeraire will be assessed at any place somewhere in the range of $38 and $45, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. 2027 in a significant manner. We imply that NMR will in every practical sense be assessed at around $51, $54. We certainly figure the sort of lower range of our value expectation will be more exact than the higher, really, as opposed to prevalent thinking. However, obviously, the crypto market in a real sense is very erratic, so we will in every practical sense need to really keep a watch out, or so they especially thought. 2028, which basically is very huge. In 2028, in the event that Numeraire emerges with new ventures and encounters kind of additional reception, we can generally see it possibly arriving at a cost of $55, $58 in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ideally, the task will proceed to sort of create and explicitly draw in even basically more crypto clients. In any case, it basically is conceivable that it will in every practical sense lose the vast majority of its worth by 2028, which most certainly is genuinely critical. 2029 in an unpretentious manner. For the last year of the 10 years, we by and large accept that digital currencies will especially have explicitly gotten comfortable generally, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. We imply that tokens will generally be nothing strange any longer in an every practical sense, enormous way. Crypto as well as a wide range of crypto projects as well, NFTs, dApps, and so forth, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Thusly, we especially figure Numeraire will especially be moving from around $62 to $65 effectively, in spite of the fact that we can likewise see it arriving at a cost of $72. 2030 Numeraire value forecast. Crypto value forecasts are consistently troublesome, as the digital money market in a real sense is profoundly unstable. Much more so when we sort of are discussing 8 years into the future, which is very huge. A few specialists basically have conjecture that Numeraire's cost could sort of reach up to $79 by 2030, which truly is genuinely huge. This would be a critical increment from its really current cost of around $17.67, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. In any case, it is essential to recall that Numeraire explicitly is developing, thus explicitly is its reception rate, utility, and potential. Subsequently, a really safe methodology could in every practical sense be significantly more exact just for the primary portion of the 10 years. Thinking about the entirety of the above-mentioned, apparently NMR basically is a fundamentally encouraging speculation. In this way, the cost expectations for NMR explicitly are outstandingly sure, principally on the grounds that the token really does by and large have a great deal of potential, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Obviously, likewise with any venture, there is no assurance that NMR will arrive at the anticipated price tags in an unpretentious manner. Be that as it may, on the off chance that you fundamentally are looking to generally put resources into digital currency, NMR is